Hi everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. This is Farha Alam, and in this tutorial series we are going to learn about the HCM Extract. So basically this topic covers or introduces ways of developing outbound integrations from Oracle HCM Cloud, and this HCM Extract includes this outbound integration includes the HCM Extract and the Oracle Business Intelligence Publisher or BI Publisher. So let's get started. Here is the introduction or overview of HCM Extract. So if I talk about HCM Extract, so HCM Extract simply stands for the Human Capital Management Extraction. And basically it is the main way to retrieve data in bulk from Oracle HCM Cloud. This is a utility provided by Oracle through which we can retrieve or fetch bulk data from our Oracle HCM Cloud. And then HCM Extract is a tool for generating data files and reports. So whatever data or information we are going to retrieve or fetch via this extraction tool, we will be able to generate data files for that information, and then based on those data files we can generate the reports. So on the whole, or come to the conclusion, the HCM Extract has a dedicated interface for specifying the records and attributes to be extracted. With the help of this utility or tool, we can identify the records for extraction. Either we can use the simple criteria, or we can go the complex selection criteria. And we can define the elements in an HCM Extract with the help of using fast formulas. We can have database items in it, and we can define rules as well in this extraction tool. Next, here are the steps which are involved while creating our HCM Extract. So the first and foremost step is to create the extract definition. So whatever extract we are going to create, firstly we have to define it. This is the first step for the HCM extraction. Next, we have to create the data groups. When we had defined our extract definition, so the next step is to create the data groups. We have to create the data groups. After creating the data groups, we have to create the connection. Whatever data groups we have created under the extract definition, we have to create the connection between those data groups if needed. Next, we can create the filters if needed. We can provide some filters, or we can use some advanced filter criteria whenever required. Next, we have to create the records. Under HCM Extract, we have to create the records. For example, if we are creating the extract for getting assignment information, so we have to create the record with the assignment name. And then under this record, what we have to do, we have to define or create our attributes. Whatever attributes we want to fetch or retrieve, we have to create that one under records. After creating records and attributes, what we have to do, we have to validate the complete extract, whether the records or the attributes created in it have been successfully validated or not. We have to validate under this step, validate extract. We have an option available, so we can validate our extract by going through that option. Then after validating the extract, we have to define the delivery option. Whatever delivery option we want to opt for our extract, we have to define that one. When I will go to the instance and show it to you, then it will become more clear to you. After defining the appropriate delivery option, the next step is to submit the extract. So after performing all these steps, the last and final step is to submit the extract. So this is about the introduction or overview of HCM extract and the steps involved in this HCM extraction, and all about the theoretical stuff of this HCM extract. Now we are going to see the how we can create the extract in our instance, so that it will become more clear for us to understand how this HCM extraction will occur in our cloud instance. So let's go to the instance and see how do we do that. So here is my instance where I have logged in as the HCM implementation user, and in order to perform this HCM extraction task, the user performing this task must assign with the human capital management integration specialist role. This role is must for performing this task, otherwise the user will not be able to perform this task. So here is the home page. uh, so the navigation in order to reach out to the HCM extract environment is either we can go with the this springboard option available under the my client group, or either we can go with the this navigator option, and here we have an option called my client group, expand this one, and here we have an option called data exchange. So I'm going with this springboard option. So I'm just going to click on this my client group, and under it I have to click on data exchange option, and then it will redirect us to the HCM extraction page where all the loading extraction related task we can perform over here. So our main focus is on HCM extraction, so here it is, and under this HCM extract we have these different options available. So as we had discussed that the first and foremost step is to create the extract definition, so this option is right away, click on it. So here these are the previously created extract available over here, we can use them. But as we can see, the status of all these extract is logged over here, so we can't perform any kind of modification in the previously created extract. So we just have to simply copy those extract and rename it, and we can use it. But I'm just going to create new one for this case. Click on this create option or plus icon, and here it will open the pop-up window where we have to create the extract definition, and here we have to define the name for our extract. So HCM underscore EMPL is my name for this extract definition, and type I am going to select. Here these are the different types of extract available here. Right now I am going to show you the full profile, and I am just simply disable this option changes only, and consumer the one which the one who are going to consume this particular extract. So basically I am going to select for this one as undefined, and here we have to provide some additional details for this extract. So this is a full profile extract. This is basically my additional details I have provided over here. After providing all the mandatory things or filling all the mandatory fields, I'm just going to click on this OK, and it will going to create one blank extract where we have to define the all the related things for this extract. So this is basically the page, and next we have to go to this design option, click on it, and here we have to design our extract. after creating the definition, the next step is to create the data group, as we had discussed in the introduction part or the steps. So firstly we have to create the root data group. So here is my root data group. So I am going to provide the name for this root data group, which is assignment DG. This is basically my root data group. And then when we provide the name for the root data group, the tag name is auto generated. Whatever name we have provided under name field, the tag name will going to generate automatically based on the name which we had provided in the above field. The next step is to select the user entity. So user entity is nothing but a source uh, which define the source of data from where we are getting or fetching our data. It defines under user entity. It is basically a group of logically connected entities. It is a group of logically connected entities through which via which we can extract our data or information. We just have to click on this drop down option, and here these are the Oracle seeded user entities provided over here. We just have to search our respective one. So here I am going to search for the assignment user entity. So basically its name is per EXTSEC assignment UE. This is my desired user entity in this for this scenario. Click search for it, and here we can see the entity has been searched over here. We just have to take a look on the description for this one. Basically it's a user entity and its name is this. It's a code of this user entity per EXTSEC assignment UE, and assignments is the name for this one, and description is assignment data along with action detail as on effective date. Select it or highlight it and click on OK, and then click on save and close. Save. So here we get one confirmation message. So here the root data group has been successfully created. The next step is to create the record, right? So we just have to click on it, right click on this root data group, and we have an option available called add record. Click on it. So the next step is to create the record. Firstly we have to define the extract, then we have to create the root data group, and then we have to create the record. So here we have to provide a name for the record. In my case it is assignment details. Tag name is auto generated, and click on save. We get confirmation message that changes were saved successfully, and here we can see the root data group, and this is basically the record that falls under this root data group. Click on save, and then save and close. Now we have to search for the extract. Last saved is HCM EMPL. Open it in the advanced edit mode. Click on it. Here we have root data group assignment DG available over here, and then assignment details is the record. So the next, after creating record, the next step is to create the extract attribute. So click on this plus icon in order to create the attributes. So name as what attributes I am going to retrieve from this user entity. These are basically the attributes: assignment number, assignment name, effective start date, effective end date, business unit name, person gender, and assignment age. These are the 7 attributes which are I am going to fetch from this user entity. So first is assignment number, tag name is auto generated, provide the short code over here. And then we have to select the data type for this one, as it is the assignment number, so respective data type I'm going to select, which is number for this one. And then we have to select the type. So these are basically the database item group, so we just have to select it, and we have to search this particular attribute under the database items. Click on it, search it, and first one is assignment number. Search for it, and here is the result. Select it or highlight it, click on OK. So the assignment number has been added over here. The next is provide the output level for this one. Assignment number, and then this output column is first. This is basically the first attribute or column. After creating this attribute, we just have to click on save. OK, save and close. Create another attribute. Next one is assignment name, right? Short code, and then we have to select the type, data type for this one, which and this time it is going to text. And then we have to provide the type for this one, which is database item group, and we have to search for this attribute under the database item. Assignment name, here it is available. Click on it, OK, and then assignment name, output column is second. Click on save. OK, save and close. Two attributes has been successfully created. Now create another one, which is assignment effective start date. Assignment effective start date, tag name is auto generated, and short code is assignment. Type is date, and data type is database item group. And then we have to search for this assignment effective start date under the database items. Search for it. Here it is. Click on OK. It is third attribute. Click on save. Save and close. Create another one, which is going to be assignment effective end date. Assignment effective end date. Provide the short code for this one. Type is going to be date, and database item group is assignment effective end date, select it, click on OK. Label, same label I'm going to provide, and it is basically the fourth attribute. Save and close. Here we can see all 4 attributes have been successfully created. I'm going to create another one, which is going to be assignment BU, business unit name. Data type is text. Type is going to be database item group, and we have to search for it. It is, column is fifth. Click on save. Save and close. And I'm going to provide one more person, gender, type is going to be text, database item group, search for it. Here it is. This is the 6th attribute. Click on save. Save and close. And last, I'm going to create one more attribute, which is going to be assignment age. Data type is going to be text, database item group, search for the age. Here it is. Click on OK. And it is the 7th attribute. Click on save and then save and close. I have generated this for this assignment details. We have to we just have to generate the first formula. So what we have to do, we just have to click on this action drop down button, and we have an option available called generate fast formula. Click on it. After generating fast formula, we just have to compile this formula. Click on compile. Okay, so these are the attributes which I had created. Click on save and close. Now the next step is to create the delivery option. So we just have to click on this extract delivery option, and here we have to provide click on this add icon, and we have to provide delivery output name, and output name is my assignment output. Click on save. We get one confirmation message. Click on save and close. And then we have to just go to this extract execution tree, where we have to check whether our extract has been successfully validated or not. So it has been successfully validated. We can see the success message over here. So in order to compile all the fast formulas present in this extract, we just have to click on this compile all formulas, and we have to click on validate. It has submitted for validation. So the data group hierarchy structure in the HCM impl is valid. Click on OK. Now the next step is to submit this extract. Click on save and close. Save and close. Now the next step is to submit this extract, which is HCM EMPL. We just have to go back, and here under HCM extract we have an option available which is called submit extract. Click on it, and we have to search for this one, which is HCM underscore EMPL. We have to search for this particular extract which we just created. Click on it, and we have to submit this one, HCM underscore EMPL 1, and we have to provide the effective date for this one. So I am submitting this extract today, so I am providing the effective date as today's date. And schedule, I don't want to schedule it, I just want to run it as soon as possible. So click on submit. After submitting it, we just have to click on this refresh button, so that we can see our submitted in extract over here. And it is right now, it is in progress status. We just have to keep on refreshing until we get the green tick mark or success message over here. We just have to refresh it. So here we can see the green tick mark or success message for this submitted extract HCM EMPL1. So we just have to click on it, and just scroll down, and here is the extract delivery option. Just expand this option. So here we can see the XML has been generated for this extract. We just have to download it. So here the XML output has been successfully downloaded over here. We just have to click on this open file. So this XML output will get open. We just have to wait. And so here we can see the XML output for this extract, right? So here this is basically assignment DG is our root data group, and assignment detail is our record. And under this assignment detail record, we have these 7 attributes: assignment number, assignment name, effective start date, effective end date, assignment business unit name, gender, and age. So these are the information which we had extracted in our HCM extraction. And this is all about our today's session for the HCM extract. If you have any question regarding this, please reach out to us at www.bispsolutions.com or www.bisptrainings.com. This is all about our today's session. Thank you everyone for watching.